go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, ring the bell, and click on all ALL to be notified when we have new videos uploaded. Now today we're talking about sewing terms and phrases you should know. Just as with any learning skills or hobby, when it comes to sewing, guys, you're going to be faced with a ton of sewing terms and phrases. Before threading your needle and diving right into your sewing projects, it's a good idea, I'd say very good, very important idea, to learn some of the most popular sewing words and phrases, whether you're focusing on certain sewing tools or you're discovering different techniques of sewing, like different seams, different pattern, different projects. You need to know phrases and terms. They're very important. Now, understanding sewing terminology can give you a strong foundation. And remember, that's all we're focusing on right now, is building the foundation one brick at a time, slowly. We're not rushing into this. We're not going at a jet speed. We're taking it slow so you can learn and you can build a foundation. And you also, every project, every topic that we introduce, I want you to really take the time to master it. Don't just rush onto the videos. I know you're excited. I know you want to just, get it done like yesterday, but it's very important that you take your time. Just take your time and learn. And don't forget that you're going to make mistakes. I make mistakes, and I've been doing this for years. And I still, yesterday, I was making something new. I was on a new project, making a bag, a handbag, ladies' handbag, one of those tote, but I wanted to do something different. And hey, guess what? I make a long stitch, had it the wrong actually strip onto the bag, and when it was done, I go like, oh no, not. And I had to sit. I thought about it. Looks okay, but that's not my intention. That's not what I wanted. So what I did, I sit and I take my time and I rip it out and then start again. So don't be afraid to make mistake. It's a part of the learning process. Please, when you make mistake, don't just throw it aside. You're tempted to do that from time to time, because I did yesterday. I almost just let it go. But you're tempted, but don't give in to that temptation. Don't succumb. Take your time and redo that seam. Take it out and start again. It's a part of the process, and it's very, very okay. All right. So building that foundation is paramount to sewing. And guess what? It gets easier as you learn, and I keep stressing because it's a fact. As you learn new skill and you master that skill, sewing becomes easier. So please bear that in mind for me. All right. Maybe you have heard the sewing saying, may your bobbin always be full, and you don't have a clue what they're talking about. And that's one of the reasons why it's very important to learn all your sewing terms and know them well before you go ahead. So I want you to below is the entire list that I want to present to you. So take your time. You can copy them off. You can always come back, refer to them from time to time, learn them and know them. Every skill, every trade, every profession have their own jargon. So this is sewing jargon, so to speak. So you want to pay attention and learn them. important, okay? So I do hope that this sewing vocabulary helps you understand some of the basic sewing terms and phrases. And if you learn them and use them often, you will sound like an old sewing pro in no time at all. So take the time, guys, to learn everything that I'm giving to you. Remember that one of the most prideful moments, I know, being proud is not the greatest thing in the world, but proud here in a good sense is when you sit and you put something like this together, right? Sleeves are in the right places, your collar sits right, your button and your buttonholes are nicely done and it fits you. I mean, it's great. It's one of the most wonderful feeling that you can get. And those of you who have little children, when you walk in the store, you don't have to always just go with what they say you can wear, but create your creative juices kick in, and you create what you wear. You create what the little ones wear, and now you start creating for your friends. Now you start making money with your creations. That is a wonderful, wonderful feeling. And guys, this that I'm teaching you here can take you there. Thanks again for watching. And there's going to be 4 videos. I'll attach them together so you can watch them one after the other. But the reason why I'm not putting them all in one video is I don't want to overwhelm you, and I don't want you to have too much to work at in one shot. I want you to take your time, so you go videos one at a time. Just one at a time, guys. Slow and steady, win the race. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. And share this video so all who needs to learn have an opportunity. Give them the opportunity to see and decide, do I want to learn this? Do I want to put another skill in my pocket? Do I want to earn some money from this? Please do. And see you on the next video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.